Today we're gonna make a drink, Bourbon Special. It's special, and it uses Falernum, and it has bourbon in it.
But is it special?
But how special is it? You're gonna have to stay tuned to watch.
Going. I know.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I get distracted easily.
Nah.
Squirrel.
Dandy in it.
Dandy.
Dan, Ian, Derrick are making for you a bourbon special. This is a tiki drink. Comes out of probably Beach Bum Berry remixed gallery of tiki drinks. You should go get this. Link below for affiliate links. I get my 5 cents. Our executive producer is Danny Morris. It's gonna slide out as I tell you how awesome this drink's gonna be.
Boom.
Tiki drink. This drink is a bourbon drink, and it's gonna have 1.5 ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of Falernum, 3/4 ounce of ginger beer. I'm gonna use Falernum because it's already open, and I don't have a BG Reynolds Falernum open. But if you wanted to buy BG Reynolds Falernum and save yourself 30%, use coupon code 30OFF, 30OFF, to save 30% off your BG Reynolds and your Scrappies and some of your Fee Brothers and your Royal Rose syrups. It's gonna be awesome.
Why wouldn't you?
This is around 1950s, circa 1950 at the Kon-Tiki Restaurant chain by Steve Crane.
I'm at top with the ginger beer. How's that?
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, you probably don't want to shake it.
Shake with cubes, dump
That'd be
and strain
interesting.
into old-fashioned glass. I would definitely go with this last. How old do you think this is? Oh, it's pretty old. I used to sell these. It's not going to go bad. It tastes fine. It's spicy. It's some 2018 is the expiration.
Really spicy.
Soda doesn't go bad.
It's fine. It's
It's only
fine.
3 years old with the expiration.
It was pre-COVID, so it's fine.
That's what it is.
It's all good.
If it's before COVID, it's
Yeah,
probably
it's
just
all
going to be
good.
fine.
Yeah.
I love that bottle opener. Where'd you get it?
I know you want
Oh, what's that?
Shit I find. I bought this like 8 years ago. I think it's called the Japanese bottle opener. I don't know why. That doesn't even sound. That sounds racist in some
It
way.
does.
3/4 ounce. That's,
What about that?
oh.
That's not very much ginger beer in there.
No.
That's what I
I
call
don't think you
for.
put enough. You put a splash in.
Yeah.
Just 3/4 ounce.
Fashion glass.
Yeah.
It looks lost in there.
Right, because it's. Well, have
I
you ever
could've used
seen
more
like
ice,
a?
probably.
Have you ever
Yeah.
seen like a? What name the drink that looks like that? It's got no ice though.
It's got no ice.
What is it? It
Whiskey
has-
sour.
It has this in it.
Oh, Sazerac?
Oh yeah. You know what I drink?
Those are lost tonight.
He was looking at me. Yeah, I don't know.
It's the Sazerac. Yeah, it's small like this, but it's in a full big glass. That's just how it's supposed to be. It's
Yeah.
a bourbon
Holding
drink.
up as Sazerac
Yeah.
whiskey going. What was the name of that drink?
You don't always have to fill the glass. Sometimes the glass is not full.
Especially if it's going to be powerful.
Yeah, spirit forward drinks are tend to be
Oh.
low in the glass.
This isn't too. I mean, it's more spirit than anything, but it's still only 1.5 ounces of bourbon, right? So you could double it, and you'd be okay.
Dan's not impressed.
No,
I don't think it's that
you're not
bad.
even
It's alright.
It's got the bourbon flavor, like a oak barrel. I think it would be harder if this was even less proofage. I think the proof helps. It's
I mean, it's definitely.
Reminds me of like
a.
a penicillin or something for some reason.
which is a drink, not.
Yeah.
Oh, not the actual medicine. I'm like, wow, that was very interesting.
I think penicillin's got ginger, lemon, and scotch or something like that in it.
Yeah, I think it's got.
It's alright. I guess the Falernum's what, like, changes the flavor up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has the tiki kind of like what's it, clove? Like a clove flavor, lime,
Flavor.
ginger, with a bourbon kick to it. But this reminds me similar to a Moscow Mule and those type of drinks where you take ginger beer and you put it with another product, and it ends up tasting like ginger.
Ginger beer?
Yeah, right. So you're not. A Moscow Mule is not exciting. Like I'm not like, woo, it's a Moscow Mule.
No.
I'm never really excited about a Moscow Mule,
But
even
it's
if it's got right.
Yes.
Like that's
You don't
this
have to be
has
excited
that.
to enjoy it.
A mule's like a rum and coke.
Yeah.
It's like something you get, like, if you want to be refreshed or if you got a bar that you know doesn't really make good drinks.
Right.
So at least you have.
You could do. The
Or if you
problem
wanna
here
hold
is
a
you
nice
wouldn't
cold
get
cup of
these.
mug.
It's true.
Yeah, you wouldn't be able to. You wouldn't. The problem is this drink brings the complications to it without being complicated on flavor, right? Anytime you make a tiki drink, things get complicated. You're going to need Falernum. Not everybody just carries a bottle of Falernum with them, right? This happens to be a spirit, so you can throw it in your bar. Not everybody has ginger beer handy, and then you need bourbon. So it's like, oh, I could just make a whiskey sour, or I can get all crazy and use some exotic ingredients and build another drink.
Yeah, I mean, and it's a little bitter.
It just doesn't taste
from
exotic.
the ginger and.
But I guess if it's at Kon-Tiki Restaurant, it was something like legit.
Well, it's not a bad drink.
No, it's not
It's a
too
good
sweet.
drink. No, it's not. It's not sweet at all. Like,
I mean, he threw in less sugar than he did with the ginger beer, and we already know he wasn't very liberal on the ginger beer.
You can put more ginger beer in if you want.
No, it tastes like ginger beer.
I figured it was like a. You know,
The thing is,
pour.
because it's Q has a little bit of spice to it, so it's a little zingy.
yeah, it's got
Without-
that. I mean, that's what's kind of nice about the drink.
Right. It's a little zingy. You know what it reminds me of? A rusty nail. Like, obviously, rusty nail doesn't have ginger, but like the balance of the sweet and
It's
like
got the honey,
the moderate
honey
flavor.
scotch, and
Yeah. Like it has that aftertaste. It's a little bit
it
of
only has two
sweetness to it.
ingredients. What is it? It's Drambuie and
Drambuie and you know the other thing.
scotch.
And, yeah.
Yeah, Scotch.
bartender.
Scotch.
No, it's Scotch. Scotch and
Scotch.
Yeah.
Scotch and Drambuie.
Like
Yeah,
Cuddy
I
Sark
think-
and Drambuie or something.
Yeah, I think that's it. But like, it's not super complicated. They just like, there it is. It's a little sweet and it's a little whiskey. Same kind of deal with more ingredients.
Yeah, it's not bad.
But it's worth a try. If you have the Falernum and the other stuff, you could probably build it. I would
Yeah.
double it because it is easy to drink, and I don't think it warrants being that low because it's not like a Sazerac where it's like 2 ounces of spirit. It's only 1.5 ounces with the other stuff
Yeah.
mixed in. So this should really be like you need 3 ounces to make this a drink. I get up again. I'd be done this and I'd be getting up to make another one. I'm like, fuck, I could have just made 3 and brought 3 glasses back with me. But they'd all be half full because the drink isn't big enough.
I could just put them all in one bigger glass.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
we,
All right,
we,
we're on the same page.
we made it. We're on the same page. So down below, there's a link to the bartender starter kit. Also, if I think I mentioned, but 30 off, you want to use that to save on those things I mentioned. And then sidebar for more tiki drinks. I've done a tiki month before. I'm going to combine these all in one big playlist. So we're going to have an Uber list of all the tiki drinks for your enjoyment.
Uber Tiki.
Uber tiki.
Uber.
In case you got a drink.